Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to guide you how you can pair your JBL Tune 215BT with your phone and with your device. So it's like really simple. You are going to have the minus and plus, this like the part of it. Now you're going to find the middle button. So you want to press it and hold it. What will happen? Automatically, do you see the blinking on a blue? That means that this is in a pairing mode. Now when I'm going to go to a Bluetooth and I'm going to turn it on my phone, and let's just wait here. I'm going to have pair devices, but what I'm going to look here is a wearable device. Let's go through the settings. And do you see it here? JBL Tune 215BT. So I'm going to press it. Okay, pair. And it's done. So you see right here, it's the light there, and that's how we just did it. So this is how we can actually pair it with your phone. And now if you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments. I just want to make this quick video for you on how you can actually do it and how you can pair it. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.